this is Soundout here, back with our Kaizoku Sentai Gokaiger review. This time we have the Gokai buckle. There's not much to this. It's a belt with 2 ranger keys, which is why I got this. Open! Gokai red, buckle, same thing as the Mobirit's top. And then Gokai red looking all badass. Then they're down here, looking all cool. Then there's him, like, pressing the button. And there's him with the key flipped out. Which key is that? Red. On the back, yeah. All this does is you can put keys inside and then push the button and getting those eventually, which I'm really excited for. Oh, Gokai Red's like, come here, I want to kill you. Yeah, not much else. Let's get this over with because doesn't do much. So here's the Gokai buckle. It is shiny. This is gold chrome, and it's good gold chrome. Seriously, with the lack of chrome nowadays, it's nice to see something that's entirely chromed. As you can see, it's reflecting everywhere. Anyway, this is the buckle, so it is the belt of the series. As you can see in the back here, you've got detail. Basically, you take your belt piece here, you slide it through the other way. You slide it through this way, like that, and then you take your other belt pieces, like, not like that because that's the wrong one. You just plug these on here, and then you just plug this one on here. You slide this little cover on, and you bring your belt around. And you hold it in place, and there you got your Gokai buckle. Yeah, that's not gonna fit me. It's not gonna fit a lot of people. Now, because this is not anywhere near what Kamen Rider does, I can't modify it the same way. So I'll figure something out. But knowing how my dad is really good at customizing and modifying belts, like this, I don't think I'll have a problem. I mean, he modified my Dragon Knight belt, so I don't think this should be much of a hassle. But anyway, so buckle, very shiny. I mean, you gotta be careful though, because I've already scratched it there, and you can see me. Hi. But yeah, it's already scratched a little bit here and there. So be very careful. As you can see, you got generic Ranger key guy here. And you got the Gokaiger symbol on top. So basically, let's see what it does. That's it. You hit the button, it flips around, and you got your little Ranger key here. Now, because it is a buckle that holds Ranger key, you get Gokai Green and Gokai Pink. Probably the entire reason a lot of people are going to buy this. Now, any key fits. As you can see, pink. Slide the key. Slot the key part in here. Click her in place. It's around. There it is. Pulls it out. Use whatever you need to. That's it for the buckle. Now, if they would stand, I will talk about the keys. Alright, so we got green and pink here. I'm not going to go too much detail. Gokai Green, he's got his different visor. He's all cool. Gokai Pinku. She's got her heart visor and all that. And she has her skirt painted on. It's not molded on because that is a lot of trouble for them to make these still slightly inexpensive. But it is painted all the way there, which I really do like. I mean, again, these are simple toys. But basic key thing, there's green with this Gokaiger logo. He's number 003, and pink is number R005. So that means green and yellow, or blue and yellow, are 2 and 4. But anyway, these do work in the Mobirit's. So we'll start off with green. Basic Gokaiger sound. Gokaiger roll call. And now the unique part. So Gokai Green. Pretty cool. And I'll do pink. you go, you get the idea. So not much uniqueness, there. So now, can I recommend the Gokai buckle? I actually can. This is about $20 on AmiAmi, and while you can go the route of Gashapon to get green and pink, it's still going to cost you at least $13, maybe. I don't know how much CS Toys is going to charge, but if you got something on order from AmiAmi, you see this in stock, go ahead and get it. If you have Blomo Pirates. If you don't, just skip it. It's nothing spectacular, but if you're a hardcore Gokaiger fan like I am, and you're a hardcore Ranger key, you want the deluxe Ranger keys. Again, it's probably going to end up being cheaper than getting the Gashapons anyway, and you won't have to worry about stickers falling off in the future. But yeah, yeah, you know, on its own, it's not really recommended if you got the Mo-Pirates and you plan to get other keys. It's totally worth it. That's it. Short review. Stay tuned for Ranger Key set 01 tomorrow. So that's saying goodbye.